What's going on, guys? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. So Corsair got in touch recently and they asked me if I could do a case modded build based on an influential video game of choice from the past decade. Now you probably find it funny that I went with a console exclusive such as Horizon Zero Dawn. That's because the PC release is just around the corner and I'm actually super excited to be playing this game on PC as well. Now the way I approached this case mod is I wanted to keep it really nice and clean, was based on an idea where staring at the computer itself would give you a brief glimpse into the world of Horizon Zero Dawn. I love the landscape inside the world of Horizon and I wanted the PC to show this. Plus there are some amazing artwork pieces, which is actually what I've used for the custom vinyl wrapping. Now the case Corsair sent is their Carbide 678C and it feels like a pretty premium mid-tower case and I actually enjoyed building in it a lot more than I thought. They come in either black or white color options and I went with the white. In fact, I went with pretty much all of Corsair's white hardware and peripheral options, which I'll get into more in a minute. But back to the case, it features a very nice matte textured finish where it just feels nice to touch and it doesn't actually attract fingerprints and leave smudges the way other case finishes would. Has a swing open tempered glass side panel, has a swing open front panel, sound dampening on the front and back side panel. Plenty of cable management space around the back and under the PSU shroud. Also plenty of 3.5-inch hard drives, and there's even an option for an optical drive if you're still into that. For the other specs, we have a Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi motherboard, an AORUS RTX 2070 Super, and an i7 9700K, which came courtesy of M-Wave. So you find the full specs down in the video description, but as far as the rest of the Corsair hardware inside of the build, pretty much everything came in white, and I really love that Corsair offers this white option to pretty much everything they make. Now there's a white H100i RGB Platinum, white Corsair Vengeance RGB memory, white RM750 power supply, white QL120 ARGM fans, and Corsair even sent through their peripherals with the K70 Mark II in white, the M65 Pro Elite, and the Virtuoso wireless RGB headset, which came in white as well. Now, I still remember back a few years ago where if you wanted an all-out white build, you pretty much had to paint everything yourself. So I guess Corsair made my job just a little bit easier this time. But anyways, I just want to say a huge thanks to Corsair for the support on this project. Huge thanks to AORUS as well, and also to M-Wave. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the time-lapse video. Thanks a lot for sticking around all the way to the end of the video. Now, the next upcoming video that I have, I will be bringing back my very first case mod. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to see if you can guess down in the comments what case mod that was. See if any of you guys have been following my work for that long. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop us a like if you did, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.